Welcome to day 4, Mastering the Mundane. I tell you, this is probably one of my favorite because you have to get in a pattern, and so many people can't get out of that rut that they don't want to do that. But if you do it long enough, it's going to get comfortable. So today's lesson is one of my favorites. I just want you to understand the real secret that most people miss. The success comes from mastering the mundane. So if you are tired of being in the same rut all the time, it's time for you to change. Big results are built on step by steps every day. It's not that one viral post that goes viral, because that's not going to happen to everybody. It's according to whatever the algorithms out there is going to put out there. So you might not be that lucky one that gets their video pushed out. So you're going to have to do the small, boring, maybe retractable actions that you do every day. But guess what? You're building that foundation of understanding that every video that you put on the internet is your real estate. That is branding you to what you're doing, and that's letting other people know what is available out there that you have, that you can offer people, or you can offer them value. So that's where the consistency is. Showing up whenever it feels ordinary, even when no one's clapping for you, because you know it's going to compound over the effects of your work. It's just like starting your job from day one. You get there and you're so nervous about everything. But guess what? Doing it day after day after day after day, you get so used to it that you don't even realize what's going on. I can remember back whenever I first started posting daily, I was scared to death, didn't know what to do, didn't know how to post, didn't know how to edit, didn't know how to do all of this. But once I got it down, it was exciting and it was fun because I realized that I conquered that little challenge that I didn't think I could. So I want to encourage you. It does not have to be perfect. It won't. Because consistency, clarity, and everything all goes together with confidence, and that's where you're going to succeed. What I really want you to do today is start small so you can feel huge tomorrow, because you're going to get that. Write down one small daily action that you're going to commit to for the next 90 days and post it in the comments so that we can be accountable and we can hold each other accountable in this. My accountability to you is I'm going to be here and I'm going to show up for you for 90 days. And I'm going to post a video every day for something that you can master, because those small wins are huge. So I just want to congratulate you, friend, for being here today. I want you to be sure and go below, get my link to come join my community so you can have more one-on-one with me. And I really want you to understand consistency is everything. Even if you can just post one video a day, get started, because that one video a day is going to help you get over the mundane and get you into consistency. And it's also going to bless other people out there that is ready for you to understand that you have something to offer for them. They don't have to go to that 9-to-5 job if they don't want to. They can work remotely from anywhere 2 to 3 hours a day and get their time back and bless other families too. Thanks for being here. Thanks for showing up. Day 5's tomorrow. Don't miss it.